Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 7. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is you have given the values A and B and you can find A union B. So I would like to describe what is union. So in union we can write both values together in the form of one set. Means you are given A and B and so you can write these values together. So A has value 2, 4, 6 and 8. Then B has value 1, 3, 5 and 7. So A union B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the final solution of A union B. So next question is same as previous question. You can union A and B but values are slightly changed. So A has value 3, 6 and 9 and B has value null set. So here you can pronounce null set as an empty set. Both are equal. So A union B. So A has value 3, 6 and 9 union and B has value null set. So A union B has value 3, 6 and 9 because B has null set and null set has no any value. So A union B has 3, 6 and 9. So next question is you have given the values of S, R and T. With the help of these values you can find the solution of these questions. So R has value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. S has value 0, 3, 6 and 9. T has value 1, 3, 5, 7. So with the help of these values we can find out the solutions. So number one part is R intersection T. So before I start this question I would like to define intersection. So what is intersection? So in intersection we can write common values that can present in both sets. Means we have R has value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and T has value 1, 3, 5 and 7. So we have common values 1, 3 and 5. So simply we can write 1, 3 and 5 because these three values are common in R intersection T. So this is the final solution of R intersection T. Next part of this question, S intersection R. So here S has value 0, 3, 6 and 9 and R has value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So again we can write common values because S intersection R, so we have intersection. So common values of both sets are 3 and 6. So this is the final solution of S intersection R. Next part of this question, T intersection S. So again we have changed values but same method. So T has value 1, 3, 5 and 7 and S has value 0, 3, 6 and 9. So only 3 has common in this set. So T intersection S has 3. So this is the final solution of T intersection S. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answers in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning. As 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope you see in next topic. Thank you.